There is a saying which goes like this: your income can never exceed your self-image. Who you are, what you think, how you behave with other people, what you accomplish, it all depends upon your deeply rooted self-belief system and your self-image. Coming from a small village in Bihar, I was not good at communication skills. I still remember in first year of my engineering, we were supposed to talk on 1 minute on any topic whichever we liked. I prepared on Vivekananda's life for almost 3-4 hours just to deliver 1 minute speech. And when I was supposed to go and talk, I went on stage and I could not speak a single word. I even forgot when he was born. And that kind of embarrassed me a lot, because in front of my friends I could not even deliver, which I thought would be one of the best speech which I would deliver. And when this pattern started repeating multiple times, I started feeling that I am not good enough to talk, I am not good enough to express my feelings or thoughts to people. I hope you understand where I am coming from, but now I speak in front of a huge gathering and have been coaching and mentoring hundreds of people across the globe in terms of their health and wellness. If you are watching this content for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for further uploads. Let's get into the topic directly. Hi everyone, I am Harishankar, husband of a beautiful and caring woman, father of a wonderful boy, and an IT professional turned entrepreneur, weight loss coach. I've been helping a lot of people lose weight holistically. So in my personal experience, fitness is one of the best ways to build your confidence. I graduated in 2011 and I got placed in one of the top IT companies in Bangalore. And within 4.5-5 years, the whole life transformed as I grew in my career. I was almost weighing 81 kg, which was 19 to 20 kg more than my ideal weight. Food had become my identity and religion. I had abused my body with different kind of unhealthy food habits and wrong lifestyle. I took a serious decision when my health and digestive system started getting impacted because of my obesity. I came luckily in touch with Rustic Wisdom community, and they not only helped me lose weight, but my whole life has got transformed in different aspects as well. It's been 921 days that I have been doing meditation every single day without missing any day, and 172 days that I have been doing Hatha Yoga. So this whole journey of weight loss has brought a tremendous discipline in me. When you are disciplined to do something daily without missing any day, slowly your self-esteem goes up. You start feeling better about yourself. Initially, when I thought of losing 18-20 kg of weight, it was like a big task for me. It's like a mountain breaking task. But I never focused on this 18-20 kg. I started working on the day, today what I can do, how can I plan my diet, how would I live tomorrow, I can plan, but what I can do today is something which is totally in my control. So the day started getting into month, and the month discipline started getting into years. And I don't know how this 18-20 kg weight I lost, and currently I'm in perfectly normal BMI. During the journey, my friends started recognizing when I lost almost 4.5-5 kg, and that gave me a great confidence. But when I lost the weight and got into the ideal BMI range, that's when people started asking me for help. And from there, the coaching or helping people started, where it reached to a point where I help people across different countries, as well as a lot of clients I have in India, not only helping them for weight loss, but to develop a right kind of mindset as well, which will help them to continue living the fullest potential. So what I believe, if you want to build your confidence, you have to decide on something which you can stick upon. For me, I have taken a decision that I want to create an impact in people's life by me setting an example to have a great health. So I started doing something and I didn't miss a single day. So when you start working on your fitness, it gives you a discipline. You would get up on time, you would have your breakfast on time, you will have a great pattern for sleep, and everything comes into a routine. So when you follow something as a routine for longer period of time, by default you start feeling better about yourself, because you are accomplishing something every single day. So when you do these things, your self-image goes up. So what I believe is, to build your self-esteem or self-confidence, stick with what you say and make it happen no matter what. Because when you do what you say, you feel good about yourself, and that is where all self-image lies. I hope I added some value to you. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed.